Hello everyone, my name is Burangi Nikita and today's date is 28 August 2024 and my topic name is the collection set in Java. In a Java, the collection is a framework and a set is the collection that cannot contain the duplicate element. In the collection that are also and the models of and the mathematical set abstractions in the collection that are also and the set interface contains only the methods inherited from collection and adds the restrictions that duplicates elements are prohibited in that the stronger content of the behavior on the equals and the hash code operations, allowing the set instances to be and compared meaningfully even if that are there are implementations type differ. Two set interfaces are equals if they contains the same element. The set interface in Java is defined in the java.util packages. In the characteristics of the set is and the no duplicates. The most defining feature of the set is that is and the prohibits that duplicates. Each element in a set is an unique. If you try to add an element that is already present in the set, the operations will be and no not changes that set and typically returns the false value. In the unordered calls collections generally set do not generates the order of their element. There are specific implementation like linked hash set that contains or that maintain the order of insertion, but this is not a characteristics of the set interface itself. In the third is the single null variable. The most set implementation allow at least the one null element through the certain implementation of and the like the tree set do not allow null element and will be throws a null pointer exception. In the methods of the interface, the set interface includes all the methods of the collection interface. It is because the collection is the super interface of the set. In the sum of the commonly used methods of the collection interface that the also available in the set interface are first is and the adds are also used to specify element to the set. Add all are also used to add all the element of the specified element collection to the set. Third is and the iterator returns and the iterator that can be and used to access the element of the set sequentially. Remove are also used to remove the specified element from the set. Remove all are also used to remove all the element from the set. Another is and the retail all. The retail all are also used to elements of and the set that are also present in the another specified set. Clear are also used to remove all the element in the set. Another is and the size. The returns the length, the number of element of the set. Contains the returns the true if the set contains the specified element. Contains all return true if the set contains all the elements of the specified collections. The set interface operations that the Java set interface are also allows us to and perform the basic understanding set operations like union, intersection, and the subset. In the union is and get the union of two sets x and y. We can use x add all y. In the insertion, to get the insertion of and the two sets x and y, we can use the x retain all y. the subset to the check if the x is and the subset of y. We can use y contains all x. The example of the set interface that are scenario, library, block management system. In the imagine we are developing a system for the library to manage its blocks, and each book is and also identified by and the ISBN. um, and why use a set? A set is an ideal and it is a scenario for the several component or the for the several results. In the uniqueness, we need to ensure that each book in the collection is an unique, which is an fundamental property of the set. And the efficiency, the set implementation like hash set provide the efficient operation for the adding, removing, checking and the presence of the blocks. In the example implementation, let's create a book class and a library class. That class specified the hash set to manage the books. First is then the hash set. Hash set is the most commonly used implementation of the set interface. It is and also provide the